Hi, I'm Tanya with Tanya and Tiana English. This morning I was thinking about phrasal verbs, and it seems like pretty much all of our students want to learn more phrasal verbs, or they just want to practice the phrasal verbs they know. Is this true for you? Do you want to learn more or practice more phrasal verbs? Give us a thumbs up if this is true for you, because today we're going to talk about a phrasal verb that can be used in several ways. The phrasal verb is to put up. To put up. The most common way and the literal way that you will hear this phrasal verb used is to put something up. So you can split the phrasal verb, take the word put and the word up, and put another word in between. An example would be to say, can you put the book up on the shelf? Would you put the dishes up in the cabinet? So even though this is the most common way you might hear this phrasal verb, you will hear it used in several other ways. So I'm going to go over 5 more with you, and I'm going to share with you one bonus phrasal verb. Let's start first with the meaning to hang. You can say to put up when you mean you want to hang something. So specifically, you would be hanging something on the wall, as an example. So for instance, if I wanted to hang up this picture behind me, I could say to Tiana, Tiana, will you help me put up the picture? All right, the second one is when we mean to build. So to put up can mean to build. A common example of this one is, they put up a building downtown so fast I didn't even see it happen. They meant they built a building so fast. Can you think of an example of a sentence using to put up when it means to build? All right, a third one is to can something. And when I say to can something, I mean the way we used to can things back in the day, meaning a long time ago. And there's still a lot of people who do it, but not as much as they used to. So canning with a jar, we use a jar and we put fruits or vegetables. Some people even put meat in it. And we use a special pressure cooker so that it preserves whatever we put in there in the jar. And we call that canning. You can also say something like, I'm going to put up tomatoes. Is canning common in your country? Have you ever done any canning? Then you could say, I put up whatever. Here's another common one. We'll say we put up someone when we mean we're providing a place for them to stay. So, for example, if you have relatives coming to visit you, you could say to someone, I'm going to put up my cousins this weekend. That means you're going to let your cousins stay in your home. And another one that's also really common is when you're going to offer something for sale. So for instance, if you're going to offer something for sale, again, you could split this phrasal verb and say something like, we're going to put our house up on the market. We mean we're going to list it for sale. All right, so now for the bonus. By adding only one word, we come up with yet another meaning for this word that is also really common, and that is to put up with. To put up with someone. Usually we say we're putting up with someone or something when we mean we have to endure them. Now, the dictionary says that we are enduring them without complaint, but I can tell you from personal experience that a lot of times when people are putting up with someone or something, they're still complaining. So an example would be, he had to put up with his little sister all day. Okay, is this a phrasal verb you already use? Did you know all of the meanings? Which ones were new for you? See if you can make some example sentences and put them in the comments. If you're ready to learn some more English, Instagram has already picked a video for you right here. But if you'd rather, you could also watch this one. I'll talk to you in the comments. Bye.